Hi beauties, my name is Carrie and today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to achieve this gorgeous soft cut crease makeup. Now this is a more neutral look with a touch of glam with our gorgeous cut crease, and this eye makeup pairs perfectly with the 3 True Nude lipsticks from Rodeo Raw by Reema. What I love about the True Nude lipsticks is that they are very hydrating and moisturizing on my lips. I love how they feel. Starting with Rodeo Raw, we have a little bit more of a corally summery look with it. Next we have BH Bare, which is a gorgeous neutral lip that's going to pair perfectly with any makeup. And lastly we have 90210, which I am obsessed with. It has a little bit of a pink tone to it. Alright, it is time for the makeup tutorial. Enjoy! Get this look started with our favorite foundation and concealer. I'm going into the Rodeo Vamp Hollywood Icon Face Kit and taking the translucent powder to set my face makeup. Today I'm doing my brows with the Pro Definer pencil. I start by combing out my brows and then lightly filling them in with the pencil. This gives a nice natural looking brow, which I love. Then I brush them out one more time and then apply the Bombshell Brow Gel to lock my brows in place. I'm using the Reema Beauty Eye Primer so that we have a great base for our eyeshadow. In the Rodeo Vamp palette, I'm taking this contour color and using a back and forth motion to start applying the eyeshadow. I start blending it upward toward the brow. And next we want to build up some color, so we're mixing our initial shade with the black to start deepening the eyeshadow. To cut our crease, we are going to use the Brow Lift. I'm using the shade Light, and I'm just working my way starting at the inner corner and then cutting my crease. You can go in with little strokes or longer, whichever works the best for you. I'm adding a little bit of shine to this look by using the highlight and applying that onto the lid, and then taking the translucent powder for outside. On the inner corner, I'm using this gorgeous white shimmery shadow. And we want to finish the eyeshadow by going under the eyes with our contour shade. Today, let's dip into the black gel liner and use a thin detail brush to create a really nice, precise wing. We want to make sure it is angled in an upward direction to match with our crease and our eyeshadow. Let's use our Va Va Voom Reema Beauty Mascara to coat these lashes. We're going to warm up the skin by taking the contour colors in the Hollywood Icon Face Kit. We also need our blush and then topping it off with the shimmery shiny highlight. Finish our eye makeup with the Sugar Daddy lashes. And then we need to top it off with our favorite True Nude lipsticks, starting with the Rodeo Raw. Next up we have BH Bare. And last but not least, we have 90210. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you show your lips some love with the True Nude lipsticks from Rodeo Raw by Reema.